Powerful magic temple. What if the universe is not only material? What if spirits, consciousness, and unseen forces are constantly interacting with our lives? Welcome to Powerful Magic Temple. My name is Gilberto and I am from Brazil. I am a magician and a psychic, and I have been working with magic and spirituality for many years. Throughout my life, I have studied and practiced spiritual knowledge that helps us understand how the universe truly works. My work is based on important spiritual principles such as the immortality of the soul, the communication between spirits and human beings, and the interaction between spirit, matter, and consciousness. These principles help us understand that reality is deeper than what we see with our physical eyes. There are spiritual intelligences and forces that influence our lives and our reality. On this channel, I will share knowledge about magic, spiritual practices, spirit invocation, and the mysteries of the occult world. My goal is to help people understand how magic and spirituality can assist us in the challenges of life and how we can use spiritual knowledge to achieve our goals, whether they are material, emotional, or spiritual. If you are interested in magic, spiritual knowledge, and the hidden forces of the universe, you are welcome here.